In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Updater in Adobe Acrobat. If you're looking to pause automatic updates to control when changes happen, save bandwidth, or keep a specific version stable for a workflow, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change while keeping things clear and safe. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give it a moment to load into the main workspace. Once you're in, look toward the top left of the window for the main menu. Depending on your version and operating system, this may appear as a traditional menu bar or a menu icon. The goal here is simply to access Acrobat's settings. From that menu, open Preferences. On some versions, you'll find it directly in the menu you clicked. On others, it may appear under Edit on Windows or under the application name on some Mac OS. Either way, selecting Preferences will open a new window that controls how Acrobat behaves. Inside the Preferences window, locate the Updater section. You'll usually see it listed in the left-hand panel with other categories. Click Updater to bring its options into view. This area governs how Acrobat handles updates in the background. Now turn off automatic updates. Depending on your build, this may be a toggle you can switch to off or a choice like Do not download or install updates automatically. Select the option that disables automatic updating so that Acrobat won't install new versions without your input. This gives you full control over when updates happen and helps prevent unexpected changes during critical projects. Once you've made the change, confirm it by clicking OK to save and close Preferences. If prompted, allow the change to take effect. You can close the Preferences window afterward and continue using Acrobat as normal. A quick word of advice: turning off automatic updates means you're responsible for staying current. Updates often include important security patches and bug fixes, so consider setting a reminder to check periodically. When you're ready to update on your own schedule, you can do it manually from Acrobat's Help menu by selecting the option to check for updates. If you're using a work-managed device and the Updater settings are grayed out, your organization may control updates centrally. In that case, reach out to your IT team if you need changes. That's it. You've successfully turned off the Updater in Adobe Acrobat and now have full control over when updates are installed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your setup running the way you want.